Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with a great project, a completely different project to share with you all. So let's move towards side. Let's know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right. So this is our project for today. It's Ecomoto electric motorcycle. The popularization of cryptocurrencies and the boom that crypto actives had in 2020 and 2021 is driving more and more Brazilian developers to venture into the crypto universe. And recently, a group of Brazilian developers got together and developed Ecomoto, a company that has a cryptocurrency of the same name and that intends to operate in the Nasdaq branch of electric motorcycle and become the Tesla of the two-wheel sector. So here you can see that the newest and most renowned brand in the automotive industry that will reach all over the Brazil and the world. So, according to the project's developers, the proposal will initially make electric motorcycle accessible first with the operation of renting the models and later with the establishment of its own line. And for this, the first phase of the project, the developers are seeking partnerships with established manufacturers who will make the models available for rent in the same model that is made by Banxo with bicycles. And then interested users will have to download the Ecomoto app and make the registration along with the license. And after verifying the data, they will be able to rent one of the motorcycles available in the integrated locations. And you have the link to buy their token. You can buy from Pancake Swap. You have to click on this link and you will be redirected to Pancake Swap page. All right, so how does this type of vehicle work? As mentioned above, the vehicle works by means of a rechargeable battery, which can on average travel approximately 100 kilometers on a single charge. In this way, the electric motorcycle can be up to 24 times more economical and less polluting than a gasoline motorcycle. Then, if you're thinking that how long does an electric motorcycle last, so our eco motors have lithium ion batteries and have a useful life of up to 200,000 kilometers installed in the motorcycle. But after that time, it can still be used for other types of storage, such as solar energy, extending the use for up to 20 years. Then how much does an electric motorcycle spend? An electric motorcycle spends an average of rupees 0.015 and one half of a cent of electric energy per kilometer traveled. Direct savings, you can recharge your motorcycle at home anywhere that an outlet is available or at on the charging station that we will make available to the public. Then why to buy an electric motorcycle? So electric bikes may even be the saviors for many motocross tracks and the regional off-road parks. Then what is the Ecomoto token? So the tokenization carried out by the startup Ecomoto aims to contribute to the urban mobility revolution, bringing agility and better cost benefit. We believe that crypto economics will play a very important role in this process. So without needing the state, we can see our investments help thousands of people in addition to being able to guarantee our retirement. Then we have tokenomics, we have the token details and roadmap. So their total supply is 100 billion from which they have reserved 5% BUSD reward for their holders. Then contract verified on BSC scan, you can check contract on BSC scan. Liquidity is locked, 5% is for dividend rate, 6% is for marketing rate, 2% is for liquidity and 10% is for the team, the wallet developers, and 5% for buyback on start, and 10% for listings. Then we have the roadmap 2021 October. There's private sale, then DX sale, 500K liquidity, then branding, Ecomoto, affiliation community. That is, phase one is in progress, and then they will start their roadmap phase two. So 2021 by November, 5 million market cap to reach, branding registration, big announcement, television, community card, Ecomoto announcement. And then moreover, you can find that they will be listing on CoinMarketCap, CoinScope, CoinEdge, and CoinGecko. And then by 2022 January, March at 40 million market cap to reach. Then open Ecomoto Manufacturer Garage, open Ecomoto Assurance, community giveaway, Ecomoto reseller community, and listing on Coinbase. And then 2022 April, July, 200 million market cap to reach. Ecomoto International Manufacturers listing on Binance and Finance Bank. And then by 2022 August till December, they will be reaching 1 billion of market cap. Then community giveaway, best community leaders workshop, community environmental awareness seminars, and encouragement for global use of the Ecomoto token. So here we have had their roadmap. So we know that what they have planned, and they have already planned very great things for the future of the project. And you know that they will be giving good growth to the project, and you can be the part of this project right now. This will be gonna hit in coming days, of course. Then you can choose a motorcycle. Electric motorcycles are still somewhat more expensive, but Ecomoto will be a national company that will start with low prices and with installment form so that anyone can buy an Ecomoto. So here you have a list. Their price will be updated soon, and you will be able to buy your favorite bikes from here. They will also do installment system as well. Then you have their official contract address, and you have their social channels, so you can join them on their social channels to know more about the project. Or if you have any queries, so you can get in touch with the team and you will be responded quickly. You have their Twitter account, you can follow them on Twitter as well. So you will be getting all the notifications of the project. And here we have the Twitter account of Ecomoto. Let's follow them here. So we will be updated about everything happening in the project. So here you can see the recent tweet, and let's get back to our website. So you have their white paper. You can go through their white paper if you want to know more about the project, about their idea, their concept behind the project. So you can go through their white paper and you will have more detailed information about the project. Then we have Ecomoto on PooCoin as well. You can check out their price, their live chart, and recent transactions on here as well. You have all the recent transactions, and we have their chart, price, and you can access their website and other details from here as well. Alright, so this was our website for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll provide the link in the description so you can check out the website by yourself. You can do your own research, and after your satisfaction, you can invest in it. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.